Always running out of battery when you need your phone the most? Or tired of those cheap car chargers that charge slowly or stop working after a few weeks? Well, that ends today. Introducing the Hussell 3.0 Portable Fast Car Charger, a sleek, powerful charger designed to keep your devices powered. Whether it's quickly charging your smartphone or powering up essential accessories, this compact charger delivers fast, reliable performance every time you drive. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Hussell 3.0 Portable Charger, User Manual, Cable, Specifications. Installation. Start by locating your vehicle's 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, usually found near the center console or under the dashboard. Make sure the socket is free of dust or debris for a secure connection. Next, insert the car charger directly into the socket until it fits properly. The indicator light on the charger will turn on, confirming it's receiving power. How to connect. Connect your device using a compatible USB cable, USB-C, or Lightning, depending on your device. Once connected, your device should start charging automatically. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.